Welcome to Real Health Secrets. In today's video, we're going to talk about some common stomach-related problems that trouble many people. Issues like gas, constipation, and the feeling that your bowels haven't been fully cleared or that there's still a little stool left even after going to the toilet. For people who experience this regularly, today's video includes a drink that can help. In fact, there are two types of drinks suitable for two different categories of people. When you're constipated or feel like your stomach hasn't been fully cleared, there's always a sense of discomfort. This can affect your daily activities and even your work. It leads to stress, physical discomfort, bloating, gas, and a range of other problems. To eliminate all of these issues, if you are someone who often suffers from constipation or has difficulty with bowel movements, then Triphala powder, also known as Triphalaadi churnam, is highly recommended. These are common Ayurvedic products available at most Ayurvedic shops. If you have Triphala powder, take 1 teaspoon of it, mix it with a glass of warm water, and drink it at night before bed, twice a week. You should not wait until constipation starts to take it. Instead, use it regularly, twice a week for a week or even a month. Over time, your stomach issues will improve. The key is to take it consistently twice a week. Now, if you are generally healthy, perhaps someone who regularly consumes non-vegetarian food, and you experience occasional constipation, but your main problem is gas, or you constantly feel like your stomach isn't fully clean, then here's another effective technique. Take half teaspoon of dried gooseberry powder. You can get this from Ayurvedic shops. Make sure to ask for the edible kind. Along with that, take 2 pinches of rock salt and 2 pinches of turmeric powder. Mix all these ingredients in half or 3/4 of a glass of warm water and drink. This at night before going to bed twice a week. You can continue this remedy as long as you want. There's no harm in doing so. Dried gooseberry powder, rock salt, and turmeric are natural ingredients. They don't cause dependency. This drink helps cleanse the stomach, supports smooth bowel movements, prevents gas formation, and reduces acidity. It gives your stomach a sense of relief and comfort. This drink is a time-tested traditional remedy followed by many people for years. Those who believe in Ayurveda mostly use these ingredients. We hope this video is helpful for everyone. See you again in another video. Thank you.